As part of an effort to reduce the spread of COVID-19, dentists all over the country are postponing routine dental procedures and only seeing emergency patients. But what is a true dental emergency? Does teeth whitening count as an emergency? No. Does a teeth cleaning count as an emergency? Unfortunately, routine dental checkups and cleanings need to be rescheduled at this time. How about this shirt with those pants? Well, that's a fashion emergency. If you have bleeding that doesn't stop, painful swelling in or around your mouth, pain in a tooth, teeth, or jawbone, a gum infection with pain or swelling, then call your dentist right away so she can get you in for an emergency dental appointment. Dental disorders rank in the top 3 avoidable hospital emergency visits. Oftentimes, ER docs can only provide temporary care like prescribing antibiotics or pain meds. If you want a cure for your dental condition, then you gotta see a dentist. Still unsure if you have a dental emergency? Many dentists now offer teledentistry services, and they can do a phone or video assessment to help you determine next steps. I'm Dr. Bianca Valayo, and I hope you washed your hands today.